Issuer use email and password to log in. To issue a web, which is divided into 5 sections: credential definitions, interactions, applications, issued credentials, and clients. The first tab is Credential Definitions, where the issuer manages the templates of verifiable credentials. Click on the tab redirects the issuer to the Credential Definition list screen. Issuers can click on the eye icon to view the details of a credential definition. To create a new credential definition, issuer clicks on Create New button on the list screen to open Create Credential Definition screen, then provides the following information, plus credential name plus version, plus advanced settings include manual approval, trust level, and public mode, plus list of information in the credential, each of which has details of name, data type, description, and required for issuance settings. Included, having entered the information, the issuer clicks Create button to continue, then presses Yes on the confirmation pop-up to confirm the creation. Once the creation is successful, the system will display a success message on the screen. Moving to the second section, Interactions, which defines the procedure for users to obtain verifiable credentials. To create a new interaction, the issuer clicks on the Interaction tab to open the interaction list screen and clicks on the Create New button to open Create Interaction screen. The creation process is divided into 4 steps. In the beginning, issuer is required to upload an interaction logo, then enter name and description. Moving on step 2, the issuer needs to configure advanced settings, including trigger, concurrency type, notification flow, and webhook, before selecting credentials to be used as input and output of the interaction in the next step. An interaction might require multiple credentials as preconditions, but can only issue one credential. After checking all provided information, the issuer presses Create Interaction button to continue, then presses Yes button on the confirmation pop-up to confirm the creation. The system will display a success message on the screen to inform issuer of successful creation. Once an interaction is created, it will be available on the user app. The user searches for the issuer, also known as service, on the homepage, then selects an interaction provided by the issuer. If the credential issued from the interaction requires manual approval from the issuer, the application will be marked as In Review under the Application section of the Issuer web. Issuer clicks on the eye icon to view the details of the application, which contains all information submitted from the user. The issuer clicks on the Approve button on the top right corner to approve the application. The issuer can modify information in the credential before issuing it to the client. The application status changes to successful after successful issuance of the credential. Details of the newly issued credential is visible under the Issued Credential tab of the Application Detail page, as well as the Issued Credential section of the Issuer web. Issuer can click on the eye icon to view full details of the credentials. Credential details contain information on related objects: the issuer, user, aka client, credential, application, interaction, and credential content. Last but not least, the Issuer web also has a section to manage users who have applied for their credentials, aka client. Clicking on the Client tab on the left menu redirects the issuer to the Client list screen. From here, issuers can click on the eye icon to view details of a client. The Detail page has information on the client's personal profile, credentials, and applications.